Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this great set of tweezers. This also works as a tick removal tool. We personally have used it multiple times, even since receiving it, because we've got a garden and we do get the little seed ticks. Fantastic product and would work great for your pets. It does come in a nice case so you don't lose any of these. And on the inside you actually have two separate tools. You've got this here, which is the one we've primarily been using, and it's got a little tick removal piece on the back that you can kind of stick under and pull out a tick if you get those bigger ticks on there. If you have the smaller ones, you get this little piece here, and this is really amazing. This is a very precision, if you get in close, precision piece of tweezers that you can easily get in there and pull off little tiny ticks, and they do come with a little cover on here as well to keep it all put together. You also get this other piece here that is, again, another nice little tool that has two little precision ends on this. One is a flatter edge that you can get in there to pull out like splinters and things like that, which is really nice, and it comes together in a really nice point. And the other side is a pointy version that does have little grips. I don't know how detailed this camera's getting that, but little grips on there that actually can get in there and really pull out and get a hold of things and pull them off. Works really well too. So you've got several different options that all come in here, and I love the fact that they've got these little covers. You put them on this little carrying case that those all come in, locks in place. So thank you guys for sending this. We can personally say we have used this. It does work. Thank you again for sending it.